Oil prices continue to surge, although the current highs look unstable. Therefore, we may see a correction in the coming sessions. The ruble is retreating from its recent highs. However, buyers are still looking forward to breaking through the level of 73 rubles per dollar. Extremely cold weather in Texas is in the focus of traders this week. The cold snap forced U.S. mining and refining plants to suspend operations. Along with reports from the Middle East and other positive factors, this news contributed to yesterday's jump in oil prices. However, the climate change factor usually has a short-term effect on the markets. In addition, the weather conditions are expected to return back to normal today. In this regard, the quotes have every chance to pull back in the coming sessions. In the early session, oil prices extended gains, but at a slower pace. There is a sign of softening demand. Sellers are trying to take the lead. At one point, prices even pulled back down, but Brent crude oil remained trading above $63 per barrel. U.S. crude showed the opposite dynamics. The price of the next to expire WTI oil futures contract gained just over 0.5%. Yesterday, the price went above $60 for the first time since January 2020. However, buyers will hardly be able to stay long at this high. Brent crude is likely to trade below $60 per barrel unless there are extremely positive factors or force majeure situations. A correction in oil prices will be the most likely scenario. Today, market participants will also focus on industry data. The API is set to report crude oil inventories in the United States. In general, the situation in the energy market looks rather stable. Following a short break, buyers are expected to become active again. The next target for Brent is $65 per barrel. The ruble closed at its monthly high on Monday amid sluggish activity. Its rally was triggered by higher oil prices and stronger developing country currencies. Today, the Russian currency has come under some pressure from the greenback while remaining near Monday's closing price levels. The dollar-ruble pair has approached a strong support, and it's likely to not break through the 73 mark, as the ruble's buyers have no drivers to push the price up. Thus, the US dollar has a chance to rebound upwards. Today, the dollar-ruble pair is likely to trade in the range of 73-74 rubles. Then the Russian currency is expected to continue its bullish run amid the weaker US dollar index. If it continues to slip in the coming sessions, the ruble will most likely rise to the level of 72 per dollar. You've watched daily financial news on InstaTV? Press like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep track of all the latest events on financial markets together with us. See you back soon.